Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add products to your shopping basket and how to place an order on the Zara application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should find the piece of clothing that you would like to purchase, either by going to the menu section and selecting a category and then finding the one item that you would like to purchase, or you can also type it into the search bar. Now if you have found a product that you would like to purchase, all you have to do is scrolling down till you find the add to bag button and tap on it. Now you have to choose your size in which you would like to buy the product. Now it has been added to your bag, so just simply scroll down and press the shopping bag icon that you can find in the right side of the screen. Now you can see that 6 items have been added to your shopping bag. So if you would like to continue this process, you should press the button continue down below. Now you need to choose from these 3 delivery options. The first one is home delivery. You should tap on this icon if you would like to add your address. Then the next one is Zara store, which means that you can order your clothes and pick them up in a Zara store. You need to tap on this icon and select a store that is close to you. Just type in your city and then select the store which is near to you. Then going back, you can see that there is a third option, which is the drop point delivery. You can select drop point and you can collect your purchased items there as well. If you are done with selecting your delivery option, you need to press the button continue down below, and now you have to select the kind of payment that you prefer. Just simply tap on it and then fill in the card number box, the expiry date. You need to add the card holder's name and the security code as well. If you are done with these, you are done with your ordering process, and now you are ready to wait for your product to arrive. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.